Hello again, people. Welcome back with the third Sudoku, a binary puzzle I will do in this additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, November the 11th, 2020. This binary puzzle will be number 1873. Alright, and what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 a binary puzzle. That means in a row, in a column or in a row, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. We have now 4 1s, so the rest are O's. And then between 2 O's comes in 1. We have now 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Then do we need to compare? 1, 2, 3, 3 1s. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row. Not allowed. One of the rules. So this cannot be a 1, this should be an O. And then we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, the 4th O, then we have 3 1s in a row, in this row. Not allowed. One of the rules, so this can be a O, this should be a 1. We have here 4 1s, 3 1s in this column. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row. Not allowed. One of the rules, so this can be a 1, this should be an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Then between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's in this column, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here an O, there an O. We have 4 O's in this column, so the rest are 1s. And then yes, we need to compare, I think. Yeah, we need to compare, let me see. No. Double 1, do we have a double 1 here? No. 101 is, yeah, this one and that one. 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 empty box 0 0 empty box 1 1. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. We have now 4 1s, so the rest are O's. And then 3 3. Double 1, here an O, there an O. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3. If I place number 4 here, number 4 here, the fourth one, then we have 3 O's in a row. Not allowed. This cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. And now I need to compare again, I think. Yes. Do we have O10? O10. Do we have O10 here? No. We need to compare the columns then. Do we have a double 1 here? Here. This column and that column. Empty box. 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits with an O here. This should be a 1. With a 1 here, this should be an O. Between 2 O's comes a 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Finish in 6 minutes. Alright, great. Sudoku. Need to compare the rows or columns. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last Sudoku. It will be a tectonic with 3 stars. See you later. Bye bye for now.